So here we are. I haven't been here for a while, I'm sorry. But hey, I've been really busy. So listen, today I'm going to be repairing this alloy wheel. It's got two nice cracks in it, and I don't know, it's been repaired by somebody else in the past, and they've really made a cock up of it. In fact, the one looks like I should take it all off, but at the end of the day, that repair is holding. I'm not going to interfere with that. So I'm going to open myself up for loads of criticism on this, because I'm not the world's greatest TIG welder. Never have been, never will be. I can get by. So all you haters out there, you're going to criticise my technique and what, so what, who gives a fuck? As long as I can get the job done, I don't give a toss. Anyway, let's crack on. So I've given this a little wash down, and now doing something I really shouldn't do because I haven't got any protective gloves on. I'm going to wipe the whole area down with acetone. Now I'm going to wipe the whole area down with acetone. Hopefully that little soap scrub will have done the trick, and this will be clean enough to try and weld. Notice I said try, right? So what I'm using here is nail polish remover. Last night. So finished. So guys, thanks for watching. What you've actually watched is a fail, massive fail. I mean, the wheel's done and all that, but Christ man, I tell you, I'm no TIG welder. Anyway, have fun. See you soon. I'm gonna go bob hunting now.